Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. Today, as you can see, I'm going to show you guys this amazing Hot Wheels 2025 new Ferrari 365 GTB Competizione. Few of you would have probably got your hands on this, but I just got my hands on this. I'm going to add this now in my collection and I'm really happy because of this car. But before that, I'm going to show you the other two cars which we have seen previously in the videos. I have also done the unboxing video, but still I'm going to show you guys because I'm very happy because I found this one and the other two, because these are like the first three cars came out in the basics. And first one was this awesome SF90 Stradale. This was an amazing casting. I'm not going to say much about this Stradale. I really loved it. You probably would have seen the video. I'll try to leaving the link of the one where I have unboxed this and the 40. It looks cool. The other one was this amazing Ferrari F40. I love it, man. I really am happy that Ferrari have got their licensing with Hot Wheels. Probably nothing's going to beat this particular F40, no matter how many colors are going to come in this. It looks just perfect. And I'll leave the link for this one as well. And now it's time for this beauty to unbox. So I'll just open it from here without damaging the card too much. It's the voice of neighbors' children, so look, that's fine, very much fine. And here is your car. Here is your beautiful Ferrari 365. Here's your base. Let's have a look on this first. I have all the details, licensing 2025, copyright. And there are some details over here with the silencers. Exhaust, we call them. It looks perfect. I'll just put this one here and this here. This particular car completes the Ferrari Trinity for me. I'm at peace. I'm not sure if I'm going to find the recolors. I'm not sure if I'm going to find the other Ferraris going to come out. I will try, but at least I found peace finding the third. The first one was of course the Stradale, the second one was the F40, and then this one. And Hot Wheels created it beautifully. We do not have any details on the back, but the side looks amazing in the front as well. The chrome wheel, 64 Ferrari logo, and on the side, on the front we have 64 with the Ferrari logo. We have plastic headlights and the stripes on the hood with the signature Ferrari color. This is just amazing car. I'm happy. And that was your Ferrari F40, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for loving them. If you did not subscribe yet, don't forget to subscribe because I'm uploading really cool videos every weekend. And I'm sure you guys love them. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.